Inwokolo. Today, I'll be taking year 4 word and phonics. And our today's topic says identifying differences between statements and questions. Again, identifying differences between statements and questions. That may warrant us to ask, what is a statement? A statement is defined as a write-up or speech which gives a particular information. A statement is a write-up or speech which gives a particular information. In other words, a statement is seen as a verbal expression which gives a particular word information which expresses a particular meaning. A statement may be regarded as a declarative statement that tends to express a particular idea. He said a statement does not require an answer and it is followed by a full stop. A statement never needs an answer. It is not a question. It is just a declarative statement. It is just a declarative sentence that gives information. Therefore, it does not require an answer. And a statement is always followed by a full stop. This is the full stop sign. Once you finish making a statement, what follows is a full stop, as you can have it here. Then, it says, why a question is an interrogation which requires a response or an answer. In other words, a question is an interrogative statement that demands an answer. When you're asking a question, it is expected of you to answer the question. That after you must have asked a question, it is expected that there should be an answer to that question. It says every question must have this question mark. That's one feature of a question. How to know a question? A question must have a question mark. And as you can see, here is the question mark boldly written. This is the question mark symbol. This is the way it's written. So once you ask a question, what follows should be the question mark. Some examples of statements. What are some of the examples of statements? We have some of them on the board, and I'm going to read them out for you. Number 1 says, Samantha is a brilliant girl. Samantha is a brilliant girl. This is just a simple statement. It doesn't require any answer. It gives us information that the person we are talking about is a brilliant girl. And the person happens to be Samantha. The next one is rain is falling now. Let me hear you. Rain is falling now. Again, rain is falling now. This is also an example of a statement. It gives us information, what is happening right now. And if you ask yourself, what exactly is happening right now, then you can accurately say rain is falling now. The next one, the boy will be in school today. The boy will be in school today. This is also an example of a statement. They are your cousins. They are your cousins. They are your cousins. This is a statement. It doesn't require any answer or response in any way. This one, they are all statements. All of them from number 1 to number 4. There are some of the examples of statement. We now go over to the next one. That is some of the examples of question. Like I told you, I said a question is an interrogation that requires an answer. How to identify a question? It must have a question mark. And this is the symbol for a question mark. This is the way it's written. So some of the examples of questions include, is Samantha a brilliant girl? From the intonation, you will discover this is an example of a question. As I'm asking the question now, I now need you to give me response to my question, which is is Samantha a brilliant girl? You can either say, yes, Samantha is a brilliant girl, or you say, no, Samantha is not a brilliant girl. The next one, is rain falling now? Is rain falling now? This is also an example of a question. Is rain falling now? Say it again. Beautiful. The next one, will the boy be in school today? Will the boy be in school today? what? Questions, as we have them on the board. And then looking at these questions now, you will discover all of them are having the sign of what? The question mark. Yes, all of them are having the question mark sign to show you that these are examples of what? Questions, and they demand answers to them. I believe with the little explanations I've been able to make, at least you've been able to grab one or two things from the lesson. You've been able to identify the differences between statements and what? Questions. And which is automatically a question is an interrogation that requires an answer. Or a response. Why? A statement is just a simple speech that gives a particular word information. It doesn't require any answer. So, I need you to do something for me. That's your homework for today. The question says, write out 5 statements and change them to questions. Write out 5 statements and change them to questions. Please read the corrections I've given you, study the corrections I've written for you, and then you should be able to do this. Write out 5 statements and then change them to what? Question. Mind you, remember, a sentence must have what? A full stop. Then a question must have what? A question mark. If you didn't put your question mark, automatically it is no longer a question. Maybe you have changed it to something else. So remember to put your full stop and your question mark. Thank you for listening and do have a lovely day. Please remember to always wash your hands and stay very safe at home. Thank you.